Hi friends, so there are a lot of questions how you are doing the trading and also I am getting, so I just thought to do a video of one of my trade today. I took a scalping trade. So here you can see today's my profit is 2002.3k, just an investment of around 12 to 13k. So how I took, what was my trade, that I will tell you. So I just took a option trade of 22,500. You can see the orders what I took. So a 22,500 CE, actually almost a 340 quantity I bought. So where I bought and how I bought, that I will tell you. So I was observing from around 11 o'clock the market. So this is today's uh, chart, you can see. So morning it started with a gap up opening and market slightly down, and again it's retraced. It was taking some support levels here, you can see clearly some support level. The market was exactly taking some support, clearly I was seeing. So if I'm putting in horizontal line, I can see here almost somewhere here a very good support was taking. So I thought to utilize this opportunity, because see exactly here you can see the market touched and came up, again it came down, again this particular level tested, and it's double, two times it is tested and confirmed that it is a very good support level. So when again it came to this particular level, I bought my options. So 22,500 option I bought. See how nicely the trend, how nicely from that retracement it's happened exactly to my levels what I already predicted yesterday. It is give a good rally, but I was not that much that much patience I don't have, so I just booked my profit somewhere, I think 2 o'clock. This point I stopped. After that again it came down. I thought again it will come down and hit the support level, but again another support level market got created, and from there again a good rally we got. So somebody who holded after this time also, they could have made around, I could have make, actually if I was holding that, I could have making within 15 minutes almost 5k, but I just, my target was 2k, so I just got my target and I stopped. You can see where exactly I sold. My time 1:37 I bought, and here you can see 26, almost 25 minutes trade session done, and I got my profits. So always I'm telling, trading is not so simple. You have to see so many things, especially the levels in market will play a crucial role if you are doing an intraday, and especially in options. You should be very careful whenever you are taking the orders. It is not very simple as like you are seeing in video, because I am taking my trades after doing so many analysis and so many analysis. I am doing technical analysis, everything I was checking. So many things it is there behind, but still I just want to show you the potential of the stock market, how you can make the money with a good trade setup. So I think almost most of my friends also got very good profit today. So now we can see the market is again going up only. So I think it's good to show you that how nicely the market is responding to our trade levels. So I'm happy that see again still we can see market rally is continuing from here. See, this was the point where we took. See exactly how nicely my expectation it will touch, and if this line, if it is break today, it will give a further rally, but I don't think so. There is a more selling pressures will be there in this session, so there will be a coming down also again, it can happen, but buyers are very powerful today, even bulls are good, so we can expect anything apart. So anyway, that's it from my side. So just I want to tell you, my dear friends, take your trades very wisely, think twice before entering into any trade, so that will make you in a good position and close yourself. So that's it, friends. Have a good day. Thank you.
Oh, one more thing, friends. See what I told exactly. Like, see our levels it's touched. It's not breaken. See how it came fall down. If somebody is bought a put option, see they could have make within 6 minutes. There will be a huge profit you could have take. See how nicely it's respecting our levels, and it will not, because there is a huge pressure, selling pressure is there. That's why I put a line here. This line is not very simple to draw, as you are seeing. After analyzing so many back data, then only I am putting these lines. And so many people will ask me how, so on what basis you are putting these lines. It's just rubbish, but I am telling always price action is very important in intraday. See the fall. See in one, just this candle you can see how much it is gone. Actually see 114 points which down came again. And so just adding this small video also for you. So careful always.